Hello guys, if you're a football fan and you love watching football, then this video is for you. Okay, I urge you guys to watch this video to the end so as not to miss any part of this video. Don't skip any part of this video, just watch this video to the end so that you will get to know how to enjoy or take advantage of this video. Okay, the Binance is launching a new token called FC Porto token. It's a football club based in Portugal, and they are launching their own token on the Binance Smart Chain network. Let's read further. Let's scroll down there. Let's see more about this token. But before I proceed, I would like you guys to do me a huge favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if today is your first time on this channel, this is Boston Crypto. In my channel, I create new videos about how to make money online, how to trade cryptocurrency and make money online. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below this video and destroy the bell notification icon, as this will get you notified whenever I make new videos and also make this video reach a wider audience. Okay, so that being said, let's dive into the video proper. Binance Smart Chain, Binance LunchPad is a platform where Binance give companies to launch their token to the masses. Okay, and this is be done by giving investors the opportunity to own part of the company shares, so to say. So FC Porto is one of them, and if you be following this launchpad for a while, you will find that you will notice that the last launchpad, which is Lazio, okay, let me scroll down if I can see it. Okay, it's not here, which is Lazio FC Club. Those that invested in it make 100x up to 1000x of their money. So this is an opportunity for you guys if you miss the Lazio launchpad. Okay, so don't joke with this video. I want you guys to watch this video to the end. Okay, don't skip any part of it. So I'll be more to learn more about this token. So it's the total token to be offered is 400,000 token, and the native token of this FC Porto club is Porto, and a price of one Porto is $1. The launchpad will be taking place in the next 10 days, 5 hours and 4 minutes. So you have about 10 days and thereabout to raise money to be part of this launchpad. And before I proceed, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you to invest in this token. I'm only showing you guys the opportunity that is there in the crypto world. Okay, so don't take this as a financial advice. Only invest what you can afford to lose. As I always say, don't borrow money to invest in crypto. Don't use special money that is meant for your rent or school fees to invest in Porto, because you can easily get bonds and also make money from it. So be wise and not to get bonds. Okay, so let's dive into the video proper. As I say, one Porto is equal to $1, and the ad cap for this launchpad token is per user is 10,000 Porto, which is the equivalent of $10,000, and the initial investment for each investor is 0.1 USD, 0.1 BNB, which is an equivalent to $60. So to be part of this launchpad, token, you need to have at least $60 worth of BNB in your wallet. Once you have up to that amount, you'll be able to participate in this project, this offer, right? So let's find out more about this project. You see the project introduction, founded on 28th September 1860. That's the club itself. FC Porto is a Portuguese professional sports club based in Porto. As one of the big three teams in Portugal, FC Porto is best known for their professional football team playing in the Premier, La Liga and top flight of Portuguese football club. They are nicknamed Dragons, for the mythical creature atop the club's crest, and Azuris A Broncos, that's blue and white for the shirt color. So you can just come here and read more about the club. I think all this information is about the club. Just come here, read about the club, and also get to learn about the token. Okay, so once you are done with that, then you can now make up your mind if you really want to invest in this token. So right here you can see the art cap, which is 4 million USD. That's the total supply will be 40 million Porto. Okay, and initial circulation is 19.5% of total token supply. While the public sales token will be 1 USD. That price in BNB will be determined period to the start of the subscription. So just come here, read more about this token. Okay, and the subscription date, the subscription period, the calculation period, and the final token distribution will be on the same day. So what this means is that once you have up to the amount of the minimum you can partake in this project, once the period of the launchpad has ended, all this will be done on the same day. That's the subscription period, the calculation period, and final token. That means you have 10 days to get yourself prepared, because it only happens just between a day, and you need to act fast. So get your BNB ready, as it is stated here. Get your BNB ready to participate, and you need to be fast about this. Okay, if you don't have any BNB, you can click here to get more BNB. To add to your wallet. Note that the number of BNB you are holding in your wallet will determine how much you will earn. Okay, the number of BNB you are holding in your wallet will determine how much you will earn. Now it says to participate, your daily average BNB holding across various accounts will be tailored. More details of this calculation can be found there. Let's click on this section here, then let's know. Okay, you see, as you can see, what this means that all the accounts, anywhere you have your BNB, either in your sports margin sub account, if you are having your BNB in your savings or vault, fiat or future wallet, or Binance funding wallet, or launch pool account balance, it will be tailored towards this launchpad. Hence, you indicate that you want to participate in the launchpad token. Okay, so make sure that you have good amount of BNB, so that at the day of the launch you will earn more. And one last thing you should be aware is that once it is launched, the day you are being paid, once the coin go live, that is tradable on Binance, make sure you sell your coin. Okay, you sell your portion of the FC Porto. don't try to hold it for long. On the day of that, or on the day of the launch, make sure you sell it so that you make your profit, because that is what every trader will be doing on that day. Every Porto token holder will be doing. So you sell on that day, then if you take a day or two, few hours, 8 hours or thereabout, or 24 hours later, where the price will start dumping. So you don't want the price to dump on you. Okay, so once the distribution of the token has been completed, on the day of listing it for every trader to start trading on the coin, make sure you are active online and you sell your token. Don't sleep on this. Okay, make sure you sell it on that day of listing, then you can trade it and make profits from it. Once after you sell it, once the price dip, you can now buy back if you feel that this project will be a massive one. You can now buy in again. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys. So if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel below this by hitting the subscribe button below this video and smash the bell notification icon, and also comment below your question, your thought, or just type in below this video FC Porto token, and I will respond to all your comments as soon as possible. Alright guys, until then, stay tuned. Bye for now. Have a Binance account, check in the link in the description below this video. I'll be dropping the link to where you can open an account for Binance and get started trading. And if for you to navigate to the launchpad section, just you can see it right here, launchpad icon, or you click this more button. When you click on the more button, it will take you down to where you will see where you take it down to this end section. Once you get to the end section, you can locate it right here, launchpad. Once you click on it, it will open. Then all you just need to do, once you have your BNB and you're ready to participate in this launchpad, just click on this logo here, on the club's logo. Okay, once you click on it, it will open in a new tab. Then you can now subscribe to this BNB, to this launchpad. Once you have up to the amount of BNB required, it will be calculating here. Right now I don't have up to the amount. I'll be buying more BNB to subscribe to this project, to this launchpad, after this video. Okay, so until then, stay tuned.